it's Amy from Amy's Mix of Creativity. I'm here with an unboxing. I am excited to show some new Stamperia items from their journaling collection. Their most recent papercrafting, one of their most recent papercrafting collections called Family. And I haven't opened it up at all. I just opened the box to make sure it was what I thought it was. So we'll see how much I can get through during this video. I only have so much time. So I have actually two different collections in this box, which I will now put aside. And the two different junk journals that come with it are the one for the Family collection, which, ooh, it's a glare. Looks really cool. I love it. I love the cute little mice. You know, who loves mice except when they're that cute, right? I mean, you don't want to see one in your house, but when it's in a collection that's so adorable, how can you resist? And here's another collection similar. It has the mice also, very similar types of animation, you know, and it's for babies. But I got it because I thought it was just adorable too. So let me go over the Family collection, which I think I'm gonna just do one per video. I'll do the Family collection first, and then I will do the baby collection, because I don't want to, you know, do too many things at once. It's hard enough as it is to do just one of these collections. There's so many things in it, and I just got what I enjoy the most out of collections. So if they're, you know, like, oh, I wish you'd got that, you know, I'm sorry, but I just can only get so much. I've had, a very busy weekend we had a big snowstorm. So we had a lot we had to take care of around our house, and with the snow, luckily my husband takes care of those things, because I'm very lucky to have a really wonderful family. And so let's look at this. This is so cute with the little mice. They have these very cute personalities. This is the mini paper pad, which I'll show you the large one in a minute. But it's just so cute, the animations and the like plaids and quilted look. I love it. Oh, look at that. It's like a little quilt. I'm really into the old, you know, like granny square quilts type of thing right now. I got a couple for Christmas just because I wanted to have some extra ones in our house, like little throws and a big one for our bed, a nice big quilt for our bed, which was really nice. I have some, but I like making sure we have plenty of coverings that we all like, you know, that everybody in the house likes. And my husband and I don't always agree, but such is life, right? So here's a really nice plaid that goes with kind of like the blue denim look. I just think that's wonderful too. Oh, look how cute. These would be good for like bookmarks. Here's some really cool wood like backgrounds. Some nice toppers for cards. You can always make cards square, you know, and have these be the focal point. Love that there's birthday. Now this is usually double-sided, so this would be the back of those pages. That's why that's like that, but then you get extra because you don't have to worry about the backs being, you know, the backs are obviously, they're empty on this side, but you can always put these on the back of, if you want to have like journal cards or ATC cards or whatever. Here's some really cute Illustrations. I love the bears too. Always loving the bears. Okay, so and then the last page are some cutouts. So that's the Stamperia family well, they call it the maxi pad. I would have called it a mini pad. It's a single face sheet, so you can get it in double face too, but I like the single face sheets. I also this time got a rub-on kit, which I'll show you real quick. It's so cute, and I just wanted to get more into doing rub-ons. I'm really, you know, I do mostly stamping, but you know, I use either like acrylic stamps or you know, regular stamps to make images when I want. And when I use the acrylic stamps, I use like Copic markers or special alcohol markers or whatever to color in the stamped images. And sometimes I'm you know, not able to spend a lot of time doing that, so it's good to have, you know, something else to use in place of what you usually use, in case you're having a hard time with what you usually do. With, like, for me, the crafting's been really hard the past year or so because of my health issues, so I just do the best I can, and I still love crafting, and I want to tell everybody out there, you know, if you do what you love, it helps with your health and helps with your well-being, and also you get to, you know, hopefully do it in a way that makes life easier for you, not harder. Okay? Nobody wants to make their life harder. Okay, so then the family, I got the family large. See, I would have called this the maxi pad, but I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know. Stamperia is a company in Europe. Oh, sorry. Hit my phone. They're a company based out of Hungary, I think, but they also have illustrators and designers throughout Europe, so that's wonderful. I think they're just so unique. Oh, this is so big. I've got to like zoom out a little so you can see that better. Oh, wow. Such great illustrations. Now, these are the same that are in the smaller pad of paper. But because they're bigger, it's a totally different look. It's, you know, it's all relative. Like, it's obviously to scale. Okay, look. Oh, how cute. For birthday cards or scrapbooking, junk journaling, whatever you want to do with these, they're great. Okay, it is a booklet, but it kind of came apart in the middle. Oh my god, look how cute. The little guys behind the book. And these are double-sided. I got the one that are double-sided because it's a lot less expensive and with the bigger size, and to me I like having it be double-sided for the larger size, just because I'm only going to use things in a certain way. So here's some great cutouts. How sweet is that? And I yet again love the bears. So yeah, gotta enjoy that. Okay, that's Stamperia, the larger. Okay, now I usually go through these die cuts. I got the die cuts that are, oh, that's for the baby. I'm gonna show the baby ones. Maybe I'll show these with the baby video because I don't really want this to go too long. But I got the die cuts for this collection. Oh, and I got ephemera. Having a little trouble. Oh, it says family right here. Okay, so I got family die cuts, and these are they both say die cuts, but I think it's because they I think one is just like chipboard die cuts and one is stickers. Doesn't really say on the back, so yeah. Well, look for the next video, because my main thing, things are falling apart. My main thing is I want to show the junk journal. This comes apart differently here. If if I seem hurried, it's because I only have so much time on my video to show this, so I want to make sure I get to show the whole thing. And my husband's going to be home from work soon. He doesn't mind that I'm videotaping, but I don't like him coming in when I'm doing it just because it's distracting. So in the journal, they have all the stickers too. So that is awesome that it's like paper stickers. So very, very special. The junk journals is something I think that is making a huge hit with this company. They also have, these are cut apart. Oops. Gotta make sure I be more careful when I take them apart. But yeah, these are, you know, really great for die cuts, and they're double-sided, so that's awesome. Love these designs. They're just so cute. Like a little family walking with each other. Oh goodness. Look at this guy with his birthday cake. I love it. There's the family walking on a piano. Oh goodness, I don't want to think about them being that sized. Oh, they're so darn cute. If they walked across my house, I would be like, "Hey, how you guys doing?" And then I'd faint. Here's some really cute tags. Oh my goodness, great for scrapbooking and journaling. I love Stamperia for their designs. Oh my goodness, the quilt page is just beautiful. Kind of wish it wasn't the last page, but that's okay. So that's the junk journal for the family collection from Stamperia. It just came out like within a week or two ago. I got it pretty quickly. I was really excited to see it, so I wanted to make sure I was able to get it and share it with you. And definitely come back and I will go through the baby collection too. Okay, in the next video, so look out for that. But I can't wait to see you, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel so far, please do so. I love to share my finds for junk journaling, crafting, paper, and all kinds of different, you know, things that you do with paper crafting, scrapbooking, card making, all of it. Okay, so make sure you like and subscribe and comment. Let me know how you're doing, and if you're, you know, excited now to be doing some Valentine creating, which is coming up soon. Make sure you check out that video that I did recently with the Valentine's papers too. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.